Here's a tutorial on how to master your track. Real quick, I whipped up this. And we're going to master it. What I'm going to do real quick is now I learned this from a tutorial, I'm going to add in bright room. See, it sounds like absolute garbage, so I'm going to turn that down. Everything sound a little nicer. So then I'm going to add a compressor. And I'm going to group these two together. I just like to do that. Don't really want a whole lot of movement here. I don't know why. I don't know. Now you want a multi-band dynamics. This is to kind of even out your song. Now my music is kind of bass heavy, so I'm going to do this. You can edit it however you want. Let's do this way. Balanced feel with it. And that's what you want. And I'd say that's pretty balanced. So next I'm going to go up here, and now I want a bit warmer. Toss that in. It's a bit too insane, so we're going to turn that down. Okay, don't know why I was doing that. Oh yeah, by the way, this can also be used in FL Studio. I just do this in Ableton because I can. Now we want an EQ. Change that to MS. Switch it over to S. Set it to here. Cue it down. Now for the next part, spectrum is pretty useful. We'll do that. And I'm also going to throw in another EQ. Now this is where you actually EQ your song. Now you're going to want to throw in a limiter. Don't want that. Want this. Now we want this to be last. We always want that to be last. And now we're going to add a compressor. I'm going to go over here and we're going to edit it. And yeah, so that hard to do. There's a whole lot of tutorials on mastering that just makes sense and make things easier. But like the video that I watched to learn how to do this, we only want it to go up to 0 decibels but still sound loud. So now I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison. Not too much of a difference, except it's below 0 decibels. This doesn't like that very much. So yeah, that's essentially how you do all of that. How you master, or at least how I master songs. Yeah. Well, if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. Goodbye.